Table Talk, brought to you by Ulster County Tourism and the Shale Hill Hospitality Group.
Now, are you a chef yourself? Do you like to cook?
I do love to cook at home. I am definitely not a chef, but my family says I can cook, so I'll take it.
What are you known for? Is there a specialty or some other dish that you like to prepare often?
I'd say I just like to be adventurous. I'll pretty much try anything. I love to try to cook Thai food or Indian food, any sort of variety of food I'll try. To me, it's very much a stress reliever to be in the kitchen.
Is there a cookbook you like to follow, or are you just find a recipe from anywhere or no recipe?
I will find a recipe from anywhere. I will not cook without a recipe.
Okay.
I'm not that adventurous.
Do you have a favorite cookbook?
I don't. I really love, there's a few cooking blogs I really love. I love Smitten Kitchen. I love Half Baked Harvest. I love Cookie and Kate.